Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have a Redmi Watch 6 and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the lower button. Keep holding it until you see the Redmi logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to our iPhone and we can download and install the Mi Fitness application on our iPhone. This app is required to pair the devices together. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, then open the App Store on your iPhone. And once you open it, tap on search, of course, and then tap on search bar, type in Mi Fitness. And tap on search. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Mi Fitness, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear. Install it. And after the application is done installing, you can open it. Now we can jump back to our watch, and as you can see, we have the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use, and then tap on it to select it. And here we have a QR code, which you can use to download the application and pair the devices together. But we need to wait until the application is done installing, so let's wait. Okay, the application is done installing. We can tap on open to open it. And in the app, we can tap on start, check the boxes right here, then tap on agree. You don't need to check the second one, it's not required, but if you want to enroll in the user experience program, you can do it. Then we have agree button, tap on it. Here we need to select the region, so tap on region, scroll through the list, look for the one you like, and then tap on it to select it, and tap on next. And at this point, you should see the health page of the app. Tap on device, tap on add device, allow the required permission. As you can see, we need to log in into Xiaomi account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on create account right here, make an account and then log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. Check the box and tap on sign in. Oh, apparently I entered the password incorrectly. Give me a second. Okay, this time it worked. And after you log in, you will see probably pop-ups about more permissions. You can allow them or deny them. They're not required, but if you want to use some features of the app, the app probably needs to have the permissions. So if you want to have all of the features, allow all of the permissions. If you don't care, you can deny them. Then tap on OK. And now we can tap on add device again. The app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Redmi Watch 6. Tap on it. Tap on the checkmark on the watch. Tap on pair on your iPhone. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And here we can tap on resume. Choose the type of app menu, which layout you prefer. Tap on resume. Then we have the notification permissions. So if you want to see the notifications about incoming calls, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. Next we have the events and tasks and current locations weather. So basically weather and stuff like that. You can skip it or allow it by tapping on resume. Like this. Then we can tap on resume. And at this point, you should see the watch on the device page right here, Redmi Watch 6 on our device page. And if you go to your watch, you can go through tutorial if you want to. I'm just gonna skip it, but your watch should be ready to use as well. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.